Hello everyone guys! Today we'll talk about the fascinating world of binary options trading, and I'll share some simple yet effective strategy with you based on just one powerful indicator. If you want to learn how to make money on trading, stay on the line. You'll learn how to use this indicator to make more informed trading decisions and minimize your risks. Are you ready? Let's get started. And you can find even more interesting strategies and trading advices on my Telegram channel via the link in the description. Join right now so you don't miss the opportunity to make money. So let's add the indicator to our chart. Go to indicator section and add the indicator with this name. Click save and leave the basic settings or inputs. Now let's figure out how to trade using this indicator. So this indicator represents the specific price range within which the price is moving. And this range has two levels. The resistance level, which is located at the top and is marked in red, and the support level, which is located at the bottom and is marked in green. Our task is to wait for the moment when the price approaches one of these boundaries to open a trade on a rollback movement. Well, naturally, when opening a position, we will also consider confirming factors in form of various candlestick patterns or levels on the chart. Now, let's move to trade. So, I found a good case to work out. Okay, I open a sell deal for 1 minute. And while this deal is in process, let's look at why I decided to open this position. On indicator, we see the price is just beginning to break out of our resistance level. I opened the trade to continue the downward movement because I also saw this moment on the chart, and most likely we had some new here, which results in impulsive movement, and almost all of such impulsive movements on the market are bought back. For example, if we look at this moment we had a little earlier, we see that after the impulse movement, the movement was immediately bought back. And just look at how confidently we had this downward movement, an excellent result. As a reminder, I used only two factors to enter the trades. The first factor is that the price was near our level on indicator, and the second factor is a certain confirming factor on the chart. So I found another situation, by the way, on the same currency pair, and I opened the long trade. Let's see what we can notice in this situation. Well, I saw the price entering a support level on our indicator. Here I expect a rollback on our indicator. If we look at the chart, first of all, we can see the abnormal, impulsive, and most likely news-driving movement, which will likely be buyback. Furthermore, if we look at the chart in more detail, we have a certain support level here, from which there have already been certain rollbacks. And this level can be considered strong because of this, which is why we expect to trade the big loss. So the trade closed at a loss, but that's okay. I just doubled the bet amount to open a cover. Okay, so my cover is open. In case it's closed on a profit, I will make a small profit and also cover all of the losses. I opened the cover because I didn't see any positive movements from the seller. This is why I expect an upward move to occur. So an upward movement still happened, and I was able to take a profit from the situation. Let's go on. So I found an interesting entry point. I'm opening a sell trade. Let's examine what we see in this situation. Firstly, I can note that we have this resistance level at these price points. If we look at the history, there have been numerous rollbacks from this level. Moreover, these rollbacks have been very impulsive and long. Therefore, this level can be considered truly strong. So, if we zoom in the chart, the only thing I can note, which served as my main entry point, is that the price is at the resistance level on our indicator, from which I also expect a downward movement. Now let's wait for our position to be closed. So in the end, we have a good downward movement, and my trade closed on a profit. The situation is perfectly worked out. My balance has already been more than doubled. Let me find another entry point and we'll conclude this video. So I opened the long trade for 1 minute. In this situation, I saw the price has initially approached the support level on our indicator and had already begun a gradual rollback. And I entered trade to continue this upward movement because in this situation we have we can see the support level on the chart, which there have already been lots of rollbacks. And on the final segment, the price began a rollback, not reaching this level, which suggests that a large number of buyers has emerged. So our upward movement has been completed and the trade has closed in a profit, and I think we can conclude here. As you can see, I was able to increase my balance from $2,500 to $7,440, which is a perfect result. And absolutely each of you could repeat it if you were trading together with me right now on my Telegram channel. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it, and bye bye.